I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I am in the middle of cleaning and I figured I would share some things with you guys. I just got back from the store. I got a bunch of cleaning products because I am in the midst of an undecorate with me, which you guys will see very soon. Hence the outfit is very like clean and decorate with me. I'm gonna prop you guys up on something. Yeah, I'm trying to pick something that's not that fragile. I have an idea. Okay, perfect. You're propped up on part of my air fryer. So yesterday I grabbed a bunch of cleaning stuff for the deep clean, which will all be a part of it. This is the only thing that I can clean my beauty room with. All the matte black, all the dust collects, but I can't use a wet rag on it because it'll ruin it. So I got these 360 dusters instead of the regular ones because they're probably better. This is my worst nightmare and I'm gonna need Andre to help me with it. Not the Drano part. It comes with like a snaking tool. And anybody that has the same phobia as I do with like hair in the drain, this is my worst nightmare. I don't even want to know what's gonna happen. So Andre will probably help me, but listen, we're doing a deep clean. We got Andre some coffee pods for that was my Ray Dunn stuff. Some coffee pods for his Keurig. So that's all from Home Goods. I got the best stuff from Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods, yes. Home Sense in Canada, same thing. And wait till you see the price. Look how cute. It was $3. Win. And there's more. I am decorating my coffee cart, like that tiered tray. It's not a cart, it would be like a tray, a coffee tray. And I've been decorating it since I got it in the fall, which was like all black and like Halloween-y. And now the holidays, it was like red and white. And now I just need like a normal one. I will probably add a little adorable Valentine's Day-ness, but for now I just need it to be like basic white and black. So I don't know why, but all the Ray Dunn stuff was on sale and I was like, I wanted it. I would have paid full price, but if you insist. So I got this little container that says hold and I'm gonna put my pods in there for my Nespresso and they're a lot smaller. And this one was $7. And keep in mind that these are Canadian prices, so that's like really good. That'd be like $4 or $5 American, I think. Hopefully I'm doing the conversion. Okay. I actually went back to the store to buy this. So they had a baby pink one, which didn't have the spoons on it, and I left it there, and then I was like, you know what, I should just got the other one. So this one was on sale too. Everything I bought today was on clearance, and it was all stuff that I wanted. So I got little measuring cups and measuring spoons. Again, from Home Goods. So cute. What else did I buy? I got a lot of stuff. I feel like I did really well. All fragile things. Oh, these are gonna be for the cart. So these were $7.99, they weren't on clearance. Be my Valentine. So 2 like little bowls, which will probably go on the cart and I'll fill them with like some cute little candies or something. And I found this, which I love. And yes, in case you're wondering, it is Ray Dunn also. And this was, how much was this? How much were you, little friend? Oh, $14.99. Again, Canadian prices, but still good. So this is gonna go in my beauty room upstairs. It kind of matches the like all black, matte black stuff. And I think I'm gonna use it. What am I gonna use it for? I think my camera stuff. Yeah, organization. Okay. And then there's more. Oh, before I jump into the next store. Oh, this is more cleaning stuff that I got. I bought this. I love mint flavored cleaning products. Like I don't love lemon, I like mint. So it was a Mr. Clean Clean Freak. And it smells very, very minty, but it's made for like to clean stainless steel, kitchen, and bathroom. And it's like 3 times the cleaning power. And I ain't concerned about no like all natural. I want it to be like clean, deep clean. Okay, on the way out of Home Goods, I wanted to get some napkins and this is exactly what I wanted. It was just like a basic Ray Dunn napkin. Andre thinks that I buy way too much Ray Dunn stuff. I personally love it. I just like the simplicity of it, so pretty. And then I got these little napkins. A lot of you guys have been asking if I'm gonna do something for Valentine's Day. I don't usually decorate the house for Valentine's Day. I might do like my coffee cart, and my Instagram will definitely be themed Valentine's Day, but I love February. Love. Andre asked me out, right, babe?
Yes.
Yes, on February 14th. So we've been together. How long have we been dating?
9 years dating, 7 years married.
9 years dating, 7 years married. And our wedding anniversary is February 23rd. We got married in Turks and Caicos. And we will be going back around our anniversary to Turks and Caicos. I'm really freaking excited. Oh yeah, how am I gonna do daily videos in February if we're in Turks and Caicos?
That's not a question for me to answer.
I never said that I was gonna do daily videos. I was contemplating it. I'll try. I'll do my best. You heard it here first. Okay, I'm really excited about this. So we needed to go. So Indigo is a Canadian store. It's Chapters Indigo. It's very similar to Barnes & Noble. Dare I say a little bit better? It's amazing. It's amazing. So we needed to get a really pretty thank you card, and Andre actually found this, and it's like a holographic little feather and it says thank you on it for some very special peoples. And then I wanted just a regular notepad because honestly, Canada Post and any postal services right now other than FedEx is still in my good books, DHL is still in my good books, UPS, you are not in my good books, USPS, which turns to Canada Post for us, I am still waiting on Christmas gifts. And my Jeffree Star holiday box, I sent out a very angry tweet. I put my anger on Twitter and Andre tells me I shouldn't and he's probably right. Anyways, I'm still waiting on my bullet journal from Amazon. I ordered a Scribbles That Matter in pink. So I just wanted a plain notebook in the interim. So I got this one. It's a moleskin. It's like a light pink, which is kind of going to be the theme of January, I think. What is this? What else did I buy? We didn't buy very much. And you know what's awesome? Everything in the stores is on sale right now, but you don't really have to deal with the crowds as much. I will say the mall was still pretty busy though, because everyone's still on holidays. It is what it is. Okay, this was 50% off of the sale price. So this, if you know what Fraser Fir, do you know Fraser Fir candles? I say that as though I can hear your response. You should, if you don't. Oh my gosh, was this not a Fraser Fir? Andre, I got duped. It's not an actual Fraser Fir candle. They put it next to the Fraser Fir candles. It's fine. It's still awesome. I just wanted a really clean smelling candle. And Andre was not having Bath & Body Works when we were in there because it was so busy. And I wanted to get the eucalyptus mint. I think that's the one I like. It's like the stress relaxer. Anti-stress? I don't remember what it's called. If you guys have ever seen this candle, you know what I'm talking about. I think it's eucalyptus mint. Anti-stress? It's something like that. We weren't getting that day. I'm gonna order it online later. But I wanted a candle, and I wanted to get a Fraser Fir candle, and everything was 50% off. And this was $17.50, down from $39.50, plus 50% off, I think. It smells clean. I just realized in smelling it that it is in fact not a Fraser Fir. If you've ever heard of Fraser Fir by, I think it's called Time is the company, the best candle ever. It smells so good. I think this is everything that I got. Carl's licking my, you wanna be in the video? Is it because I'm filming? Every time I'm filming, do you wanna come up on my chair? All right, you made it, you're here. Everyone's excited. I know you wanna smell my candle. You guys, this is Carl. You can follow him on Instagram. He's a little bit thirsty as soon as the camera starts rolling. He just wants all the attention in the world. You want to say hello to everybody? All right, you did good. You did a good solid. So right now I'm putting together that coffee bar thing and I still need to clean. So I've gotten the majority of my decorations down. Oh my gosh, I have, you see my hands? I have cuts and bruises all over my hands from putting away the Christmas trees and fitting it, P.S., all under the stairs. I am a magical magician. I feel very proud. So this is the current status. So I'm keeping out any of the pieces that were like the white and black pieces and keeping that out. I think this is a good mug, like a good New Year's mug. So that's gonna stay out. I got a new Ray Dunn mug that I shared on my Instagram. So if you didn't see that post, I'll pop it up on the screen. I think it's in the dishwasher. So I'm very much like still cleaning. You can see our air fryers like in the corner back there. That was one of Andre's Christmas gifts. Also, while we're at it, a lot of you guys have asked, the thing that I made for Andre for Christmas, the artwork, the leftovers of it are still, like, I still need to vacuum that tree. I think I'm gonna leave that for winter. I think it's pretty. The remnants of everything is still like on the floor, the like paint and everything from painting his gift. But a lot of you guys asked how I made that. So first I grabbed like a regular medium-sized canvas that I had, and I actually ordered a bunch of 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional sneakers. So Andre loves sneakers. Andre, I'm coming into your office. I'm really sorry. It's so dark up here.
Eternally. It's not going to change much, but.
Oh my God. Okay, well, welcome to the darkness of Andre's office. So he has all of his nice shoes on his shoe rack. So in case you didn't see this, I made this for him. So this is kind of modeled after an artwork that already existed. I got all the 2D and 3D shoes, the shoe boxes, the Woody actually. Andre, did you know this? If you press on his star, but hold the back of the artwork so it doesn't fall.
Oh, you're a lost toy?
He talks.
Oh.
Did you make your thing fall?
There we go.
So yeah, I got the basketball, the shoes, all that, and I painted the canvas behind it. Yeah, it was just, I love these ones. The off-whites.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. I don't know, lots of glue, lots of paint, lots of creative juices. Do you like it?
Love it.
So hopefully that can answer your question. I'm trying to think of anything else that we bought that would be like a haul item. And any parcels that have come in since Christmas. This needs to be shared actually. So current beanie, love, and then it goes with, this is one of my favorite gifts from Christmas that Andre got me. It's like a fuzzy, it's my winter jacket, it's what I use. I probably shouldn't, but I love it. So I'm gonna put all this away. I'm gonna keep cleaning. You guys will see that clean with me and undecorate with me posted very soon if it hasn't been posted already. I hope you guys enjoyed this very casual hangout, chit chat, going over all of the purchases. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys are most excited about. Let me know your thoughts about Valentine's Day. Make sure that you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications if you want to be notified when a video goes live. Make sure that you're following on Instagram as well, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.
Do just what you